This is my first back burner I've ever bought, and I am absolutely mesmerized by this thing. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. The incense I'm burning is the Nag Champa. It comes with its own incense, but it smelled like a barbecue pit burning wood. So I went and I googled Backflow burner incense and Nag Champa scent, and I found it. I love it. Y'all got to get one.
All right. So I guess these are the sticks. Here's a little tweezer thing. And then little droplets. Okay. All right. Let's put this thing together. This is what it looks like. Okay.
Pretty excited about my new Backflow Incense Waterfall holder. I like it a lot. I think it's super cool and it smells so good. Also, it is insane. This comes with this whole bag of incense cones. You just burn it for like 4 seconds, blow it out, put it on top, boom. It's just that easy. Pretty cool. It also comes with a couple of incense sticks. And yeah, it smells really good. Like it travels all down the hallway into the bedrooms from the living room. So it goes a long way, the smell. It smells like a fireplace burning. Kind of reminds you of being in the mountains on a cold day. So it definitely brings warmth to the house. Anyways, love it. Thank you so much.
Alright, so this is it. Really nice.
You think about what I said, alright?
Okay.
It's nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you.
I love it. Incense is strong, but it's really beautiful. It comes with all of these, which is going to last probably at least a year or two. I don't burn incense like that. More got it for like meditation purposes, but it's really nice.
Merry Christmas.
And it comes with these. Beautiful. And it comes with a little coaster on the bottom.
Hello there. I just wanted to share this really cool thing that I bought on Prime Day this year in 2020. I thought it was really neat. I think I bought this, it was like $9 or something, when it was originally like 15 or something. It was a really deep discount. I kind of thought it was a cool idea, so I bought this. So there it is. It's called a Backflow incense holder, and it came with a bunch of really nice smelling cones. I didn't prefer those particular ones, so I went and I actually bought Backflow dupe cones for this burner that smell the way that I like them. So I bought these Nag Champa ones, and there it is. It's Backflow dupe cones, and you can kind of see what they look like in there. I'll show you here. So there it is. That's what they look like. They're little cones. They've got a hole that goes almost all the way up to the top. And then I will show you how this works. Now, the thing about this incense holder is it's pretty particular about the amount of air circulating in a room. So if you're in a room that has a lot of, say, fans, or there's a ceiling fan that's constantly circulating the air, or if there's a draft between a window and a door or something like that, if there's air moving, this isn't going to give you the desired effect. It'll still smell really good and it will be an incense burner, but if you want the, the magic that is supposed to be this particular burner, there are some things that you have to take into consideration, and that is that it has to be in a room that does not have a lot of airflow. Or air movement, I should say, obviously. Okay, so this is how you do it. You take it and you light that sucker on fire. Just light it on fire, just like that. And you want to light it for a moment, not just so that it's like that, because that'll go out. But you want to kind of light it for a moment so that more of it is encompassed. And then when you're holding it, I like to kind of just twirl it a little bit, just like that. Just a little bit. I think that's enough. Okay, so now that it's sitting there, I will blow it out, right? And you will notice almost immediately that smoke starts coming out from the bottom here. So what you want to do is place this sucker up here. See, it's already starting. There we go, right? Lid up here, smoke comes down there. There's a little hole here, so you want to put it so that that smoke comes out the bottom. And this is how it works. It fills up that top one, and then it slowly pours into the next one. And you can see, just talking towards it, I'm moving the air enough that it's making, yeah, see, it's moving around a lot. But if you're in a still room, and you light it up, right? You light it up and you allow it to do its thing without moving around too much. This might be a good thing to do when you're practicing meditation or stillness exercises. So you're not moving the air, you're not talking and disrupting the smoke from flowing. But what happens is, if you do this correctly, and of course it's an incense burner, like I said, it's still going to smell nicely. But if you do this correctly, if you are still, or if you just put this into a place where the air is not moving a whole lot, the effect is really quite charming and very, very sweet, I think. It smells really nice. I love the smell of Nag Champa. Like I said, the cones that came with it were also very nice. And so this is how that works. And it just kind of pours down. And eventually it'll go there, then it'll go there, then it'll go there. And at the very end, if you're still enough, it'll fill up that reservoir down at the bottom there. So this is pretty freaking cool, if you ask me. It does usually go out the bottom like that. It is called, again, a backflow incense burner, right? And it burns all the way down, and it comes with these like little tools that you can pick it up like this. And when it's all done, you can pick it up and throw the little, you can throw the little amount of it that's left into a separate sand bowl, or, throw it in the sink or something. But that's how that works, right? So I'm moving around quite a lot, so it's obviously not doing the desired effect, but you get it. You get it. It'll go from here, then down here, then down here, and then down here. And these are all little reservoirs. They're not too deep. And then eventually it'll fill this whole thing up. And what I like to do is to actually kind of blow in there, and it blows all that smoke out. And that really makes your room smell nice. Also, the little mat that it comes with is really cute. It's got a little, this is like a little piece of felt. kind of a thick piece of felt with that little bamboo pattern cut out in the center. It's very sweet. So you can stick that on there to protect your wood furniture and whatnot. And I just usually kind of do one of these or put it behind there like that. So there it is.
Oh, neat. Oh yeah, I could smell it. There goes to the third. There it goes.
riveting to millions. No surprise then that the result is a media firestorm.
At People magazine, we knew that this was a national story.
I found a chipped piece of ceramic inside the burner. No damage done to the burner though.